Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing good. It's the last day for this term, and they are having common lunch party at school. So I have already made the chicken cheese nuggets. Its recipes on this channel. They have a reservation in school that nut and nut based foods are not allowed. So I decided to go with the chicken cheese nugget since many of them will make pasta. I have some more batches left to fry, and then I covered with the aluminium foil and named it and cling wrap it. Since spring season has started and it is getting really warm, the tall flower spike is an agave plant. It is a low maintenance plant. They thrive under hot sun. We have the king's birthday observed on Monday. It's going to be a long weekend and we are planning for a picnic. I'm making chicken vermicelli. I have added onions, green chili, tomatoes, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, saute and salt with cinnamon, clove and cardamom. Cook with the chicken and make it a gravy. I'm boiling the sweet potato on the side as well. In the morning I will cook the vermicelli and pack for the breakfast. Water and fruits are the two important things you need for a picnic trail. The walking trails make you very thirsty, so you choose a water-based food. I love these kumquats. You eat it as whole. The outer rinds are sweet and the inner is sour. It makes a beautiful taste. Welcome to our picnic spot. It is a falls with walking trails. Unfortunately, swimming is not allowed and do not climb the rocks, pluck flowers or any plant species. I have spotted a roo.
Pretty good, Skippy. Hey.
Not feed these animals or birds or they will tease you back for food, especially on your picnic. For a long hike, we are going to have our breakfast. Most of the parks have picnic tables and benches, so we are heading to it. There was one magpie already sitting over us asking for food, and it called many of its friends as well. Boy, my son dropped one of the sweet potato balls and it was such a chaos that one has to stand and guard for our food. We finally finished and head on to our trail. There were so much of wildflowers and different kind of species to spot on. In Noongar culture, the male and the female wargle lives here, hence the name Serpentine Falls. Basically, they are warning you about the danger. Righty. So let's talk about some picnic essentials. A very big size picnic blanket, possibly a waterproof one. Wide brim hat, goggles, sunscreen, bug spray to keep the mosquitoes and some kind of bug sticks away, and a mini first aid kit, say have a bandages, ointment, something like that, and fruit, lots of fruits, water bottles, and aesthetically stored in a wicker basket would do a great picnic. Relaxing under the nature is one kind of a picnic, but there are a lot of gardens, parks, reserves and forests to explore as well. Show me your love and support. Hit the notification bell. We'll meet you in another vlog. Keep subscribed and thanks for watching.